How to get clear skin in 7 days. First ingredient, it's aloe vera. We are going to extract the aloe vera gel from the aloe vera leaf. About 2 ounces of aloe vera gel. Extracting the gel, you need to cut both sides of the leaf. In the middle, you can clearly see the gel. And I'm just going to use my knife to take off the upper portion of the aloe vera leaf and reveal a fresh aloe vera gel. What we're going to do with this, we are going to be blending. So place it in your blender. And next, we are going to add some honey to the aloe vera gel. So we are mixing aloe vera gel and honey. 1 teaspoon of the honey. Add this to the blender with the aloe vera gel. Pour this in. And now we're going to blend the two together. Just a 2 ingredient, aloe vera gel and honey, can help you to get clear skin. So pour our mixture in a small bowl. And this is what you're going to use to wash your face daily. Use it to wash your face, your neck and décolleté. Leave it on the skin for 30 minutes if you want a more effective result. And before you know it, you're on your way to clear skin. Remove pigmentation, remove acne scars, remove blackheads and whitehead. This is good for dark neck, and it also helps to get rid of wrinkles on the skin. Quick and easy, just 2 ingredients recipe can help you to get clear skin in no time. Store it in the refrigerator